Happy Sunday, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever parts of the world you are watching us from, or me from, because my son is there. So, kumusta po kayong lahat dyan? And I hope your Sunday is well spent, relaxing or spending time with your family, or doing the things that you love. Well, I'm here in the usual park, the sports ground, Sports Island ground, and this is what I found. So, may mga horses po dito. I don't know what's happening here. I don't know if there are competition later or may practice siguro sila kasi puro mga ano po horses yung naandyan sa loob ng mga ano na yan, sasakyan. Yan. So siguro may practice, I don't know. We just arrived. So the weather today is cloudy, and for the past few days it was sunny and raining. That's why my voice is not really, normal. I still have colds because I was not feeling well for the past few days. So this is our first time to go out. But my son is sick at the moment. Yeah, he is not feeling well. He has sore throat and headache. But we told him to come with us so he can breathe fresh air. So meron na naman pong yata COVID. Pero he is negative. He just tested negative. So maybe because of the weather. So alam niyo po, grateful lang ako every day. Napaka-grateful ko po. At by the way, thank you for those who are watching me right now. And so, napaka-grateful ko po in a sense na every day na andito po ako, ibig sabihin is God gave us another day, every day, life to experience all the blessings in our daily life. So, alam niyo po yung mga blessings, marami yan. Maraming blessings sa ating buhay. Minsan siguro, you cannot see it, but everything that we have, our family, our job, our house, the food that we have on our table, everything, we should be grateful for those. And I'm so grateful that I have my family here. We are all healthy. We don't have really an illness. We have some coughs, cold, or flu, but it's okay. It happens. So, yeah. Grateful po rin po ako sa aking online business. For the past few years, I've been doing this business and I didn't stop doing this, and I'm just so grateful that now I achieved this milestone, the milestone that will start me to earn 4 times the income, 4 times of the income. So I'm just grateful that now I will be earning more than before, and I'm just grateful that I can help my husband on our finances. Maybe in the near future, we can pay our mortgages, we can help other people in charity, or there's loads of things that we can do. So I'm just really grateful, and that's why I'm really passionate to help other people change their lives for the better too, because this business is life-changing. It's really life-changing, guys. And you cannot see anything like this out there, because the business that we are affiliated with is just turned 50 years, and our compensation plan is patented. It's really gold mine, and the business system that we have, the trainings, advertising in every social media platform. If you are going to enroll from outside, it will cost thousands of euro or dollars. But here, in order for you to do the training, you just need to invest first in the products, but the $149 will let you do that training. We have a lifetime membership of $149, okay? So this is compared to none. It's really the best online business out there. So that's why I'm so grateful, and I'm so passionate to share this to everyone. And I hope you'll give the chance. Check this business, guys. I know it's Sunday, but I don't want people to waste this opportunity. So check this out, guys. Yeah. So I hope you are all, if you are planning or if you are looking to have a flexibility of time, guys, this business will give you the flexibility that while you are working, while you are doing something else, or while you are spending more time with family or doing the things that you love, like your hobbies, anything, once your business is set up, this business runs in automation. That's why this really is the best online business. And aside from that, you are also going to earn on the side. Okay, so but this is not a quick to get rich scheme. You need to be willing to learn, coachable, and you need to be persistent, because it's not easy all the time. All of us are getting some tough times, but the mindset that you need to have, you need to be positive all the time. That's why we need to keep pushing or moving forward whatever happens, because you should never give up on your dreams for you and your family. That's why this business is changing many people's lives. There are millionaires already in this business, and they are helping a lot of people. They are doing some charity. They're buying investment, real estate properties, paying mortgages, buying houses for their parents, traveling around the world. Name it, guys. This business will do that once you put your mind into it. So guys, check this business. My link is on my bio. You will receive, once you register your name and email address, you will receive an email to watch our free webinar. From there you will learn what we really do, what we offer. So the email might be on your inbox or your spam or junk folder, guys. So thank you for watching, and have a blessed Sunday, guys. Bye.